Do you know that 3rd July is International Plastic Bag Free Day? The Plastic Bag Free Day is a global initiative that aims to eliminate the use of single-use plastic bags in the world. The problem with plastic is that most of it isn't biodegradable. It doesn't rot like paper or food. So instead, it can hang around in the environment for hundreds of years. This video is dedicated as my small contribution to reduce plastic wastage at my home and globally. Hello, I am Kamlesh Rao and welcome to my YouTube channel KR Notes. Making reusable newspaper bags for our garbage bins is one of the weekend activity that we do in our family on rotation basis. We are doing this since last 5 years. And this week it's my turn to make paper bags, and I thought of making this short do-it-yourself video for everyone. To make the paper bag strong, take more than 2 pages of your old newspaper and follow these steps as shown in the video, which are very simple to understand. Apart from replacing your garbage plastic bag with eco-friendly newspaper bag, you can do some more things to reduce the plastic usage in our daily life. Number 1. Use reusable bags for all your groceries. Number 2. Never purchase a plastic water bottle. Use your own reusable steel water bottle. Number 3. Quit smoking. It not only helps you but also helps people around you and even for the planet. Do you know the cigarette butts have plastic filters, and those filters have a habit of finding their way into our oceans? I will share more details about it in the video description below. We are almost ready with the newspaper bag. The 6th and 7th fold are the last steps to complete your reusable paper bag. This can be easily put inside the waste bin that you use at your home. Based on our usage, we need one such paper bag for our daily usage. So my weekly target is to make at least 7 paper bags. As part of waste segregation guidelines, our apartment has distributed green bin, red bin and dry waste bag to everyone. We purchased this from 2 Bag 1 Bin website, which I will show you very quickly. Open your favorite internet browser and visit the 2bin1bag.in website. The link is available in my video description too. Click on the Eco Retailers link and then again click on my ecobin.in link. We are using the premium kit, which costs rupees 415 and has a very good quality and a long life. Plastic usage cannot be stopped in just one day. This is a movement which will take years based on the habits of human beings. I request everyone to contribute to No Plastic movement and to reduce its usage and keep our planet safe. I am sure there are multiple ways to make reusable old newspaper paper bags. If you have come across anything new, please share in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye bye.